Hummingbirds are small, colorful birds that can be found in many places throughout the Americas. There are more than 300 different species or types of hummingbirds. Some live as far north as Alaska, while others can be found all the way down in South America. One cool thing about hummingbirds is how they can hover in one spot. They can do this because they flap their wings really fast, between 12 and 80 times in just 1 second. This fast flapping also creates a humming noise, which is how they get their name. Hummingbirds have a very important job in nature. They help plants reproduce by spreading pollen. When a hummingbird sticks its long beak into a flower to drink the sweet nectar inside, some of the flower's pollen sticks to the bird. Then, when the hummingbird visits another flower, it carries that pollen with it. This helps the new flower to make seeds and reproduce. Some flowers are especially good at attracting hummingbirds with bright colors and shapes that perfectly fit the birds' beaks. Besides helping plants, the nectar in flowers also helps hummingbirds. They have very high energy needs because they move so quickly. To fuel up, they might have to drink nectar from hundreds of flowers every day. They also eat small bugs for protein, so that helps control the bug population as well. And that's always a good thing. Hummingbirds don't just matter to plants and bugs. People care about them too. For many cultures, hummingbirds represent things like strength, speed, and happiness. Some people even look to hummingbirds for signs of how healthy the environment is. If the hummingbirds aren't doing well, it might mean there are problems with the climate or local habitats. So, why are hummingbirds important? They help plants reproduce, they control bug populations, they inspire people, and they can tell us about the health of the environment. Protecting hummingbirds and the places they live is really important for these reasons.